Yeah, you can start.
Cool. Um, Hello, everybody. This is Basu here, and I welcome you all to yet another webinar by Anna Jury in collaboration with ITSESTA. We have a very special guest today with us, Dr. Rupam, who is a diabetologist working at Downtown Hospital. He also has his own private clinic in Guwahati, and we'll go into the details shortly. I'll just start off with a little introduction about what Anajori has been doing so far. So we are basically a nonprofit platform who are engaged in promoting various social initiatives, entrepreneurship, and leadership building in Assam and the greater Northeast area. So from the past couple of months, we have been organizing webinars on various issues that kind of resonate with the society, and as well as inviting speakers who have been involved with the great work that people are doing to bring a positive change in the society. So again, this is part of that series. We are also bringing you this webinar in collaboration with ITSESTA. So unfortunately, the host is generally from ITSESTA, but she couldn't come today, so I'm filling in for her. So I'll just speak 2 lines about what their organization does. So ITSESTA, it basically stands for Society for Empowerment and Social Transformation Action, and their main aim is to usher in long-term positive changes in the society through empowering marginalized groups. So that is their main mantra. Now, going back to our speaker, welcome, Dr. Rupam. Let me
Thank you.
just let me quickly start off with a little bit about his bio, and then I'll hand it over to him to kind of complete his introduction and miss whatever and speak whatever I have missed, basically. So Dr. Rupam has an MBBS and MD degree, and he also has a fellowship in diabetology. He is a consultant, chief consultant diabetologist and foot care physician at Dr. Rupam's Diabetes and Foot Care Center. He is also a consultant diabetologist at Downtown Hospital, Guwahati. And we are really we are fortunate today to interact with him and discuss about the disease. I mean, we all know what diabetes is, but I'm sure there are nuances that people will appreciate knowing more about it, and really how to deal with the disease in your day-to-day life. So Dr. Rupam, I'll hand it over to you. So if you can quickly really start off with introduction and your journey so far, the profession you are in, and things like that.
Yeah, thank you for the kind introduction, Basu. And it's lovely, interacting with you through Anajuri. And hopefully, some productive discussions will happen so that the greater benefits can be passed on to the viewers and the listeners. And I think pretty much you have spoken about my introduction. I think I will stick to that. I've been practicing for the last 15 years at Downtown Hospital, and last 2 years I have started my own center at Panbajar, Guwahati. So that's it about the practice, and I do a lot of social work also. Associated with Rotary Club of Guwahati South, and I have a Paul Harris Fellow, and do a lot of awareness camps and health camps, and detection camps, and talks in the media, TV. I write articles in the vernaculars, daily vernaculars in Assamese and in English also. So what basically I want to say is that in spite of practice, you need to give some amount of your, knowledge, share some amount of your knowledge with the people so that they understand the disease, they, comply with the what's to be done, what's not to be done, and then that actually benefits the society, just then coming to a doctor for the medications or the ailment.
Yeah, thank you so much. It seems like you are already engaged in doing a lot of that communication with people already. And I understand that it's a disease that has such a big repercussion with lifestyle, right? So it's definitely important to know what to do, what not to do, and understand it properly. So I think I'll just simply start off with what is diabetes and the types. And I think a lot of people might be aware, but then it's also again a medical term, and I'm pretty sure that people will benefit from knowing a little bit of details about it.
Definitely. I mean, diabetes at present, since I mean, a lot of people are affected with diabetes. In India, if we say it's more than 7 crore people with diabetes, and double the numbers in pre-diabetic condition. That means they are going to be diabetic in couple of months to a year's time, or maybe 2-3 years time, they will be full-blown diabetic patients. So knowledge about diabetes is important, so as to, I mean, go to a physician or to take some advice relating to the ailment. So for that, diabetes, we should know when it is called diabetes. In Assamese, it is called Mudumeh Roog, and that means Mudumeh means sugar in urine. So that's a Sanskrit term, Mudumeh Roog. And by definition, if someone's fasting sugar is above 126 and postprandial or the PP sugar above 200, then it's said to be diabetic. And another diagnostic criteria had been put forward by the world organizations like ADA, American Diabetes Association, then RSSDI, International Diabetes Federation. So they suggested that 3 months average of blood sugar, which is called glycosylated hemoglobin. If it is more than 6.5, then we take the person as diabetic.
More than, I'm sorry, can you repeat that? 6.5. Okay.
Yeah. So fasting more than 126, PP more than 200, and HbA1c more than 6.5%. So that's what by definition diabetes is. So for diabetes, there is another stage of the disease in the natural history called impaired glucose tolerance, which is in between normal and diabetes. So that middle portion is called the pre-diabetic condition or impaired glucose tolerance state. And in that, the fasting will be above the normal, that means more than 100 but less than 126. PP will be more than 140 and less than 200. So that portion of the blood sugar ranges, we call it a pre-diabetic state or impaired glucose tolerance. And as I mentioned, normal will be less than 100 is fasting, and less than 140 will be normal, that means. So that's the definition of diabetes. But there are different types of diabetes.
Dr. Rupam, if I can interrupt you just a second. So you mentioned fasting and PP. So just breaking down, fasting is jitya manhe nukhwake go pele test kore, and PP is like after having food.
Nukhwake test korar eta time ase 8 hours to 12 hours. Himan khini মানে ভিতৰত হ'ব লাগে। এটা কিছুমানৰ যদি টেষ্ট কৰিব আহে 15 ঘণ্টা হৈ গ'ল লাষ্ট খানা খোৱাৰ, তেতিয়াহ'লে সেইটো ফাস্টিং ধৰা নাযায়। বা 8 ঘণ্টাতছে যদি কম ফাস্টিং আৱাৰ্ছ হৈছে, তেনেহ'লে সেইটো প্ৰপাৰ ফাস্টিং নহয়। চ' আৰু পিপি চুগাৰৰ যোনটো টাইমিং, সেইটো হ'ল কোনোবাই খোৱা আৰম্ভ কৰাৰ পৰা টাইমিংটো ধৰে, নট আফটাৰ এণ্ডিং দ্য মিল। খানা আৰম্ভ কৰাৰ পৰা from the first bite of the meal to 2 hours. So that is postprandial or PP sugar. So he timing kata important ase, নহলে হেখিনি টাইমিংৰ ভিতৰত নাছালে we do not get a correct reading. So হেতু কথা। আৰু in general মানুহৰ কাৰণে 200 sugar ওপৰত থাকিলে ডায়াবেটিস বুলি মানে বুজি পায় আৰু মানুহে। But diabetes oru bahut keta beleg bhag ase. There are different types of diabetes. That's mainly for treatment purpose. In general, sugar beshi thakile diabetes dhora jay, but treatment kisman type of one particular treatment is suitable, kismanot beleg eta type suitable, tenukwa dhonor kotha thake. Aru majorly diabetes it's of 4 different types majorly, but aru beleg types of thakibo pare. But type 1 diabetes juntu bachchat hoy 9 to 15 years of age, aru type 2 diabetes hoy beyond say adulthood or childhood to আজিকালি দেখা গৈছে, but that's mainly seen in the adult population, type 2 diabetes. আৰু এটা type of diabetes আছে যোনটো pregnancy time ত হয়, purely during the pregnancy time. Pregnancy আগত নাথাকে বা pregnancy after delivery নাইকিয়া হৈ যায়. So that is called gestational diabetes. ঠিক আছে. And there are other types of diabetes. Other types বুলি ক'লে বহুত মানে different because of drugs কিছুমানৰ হ'ব পাৰে steroid বুলি এটা medicine use হয় for asthmatic people or skin disorders or any kind of acute reaction steroid use কৰা হয়. So steroids diabetes কৰিব পাৰে. But তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ বহুত হেৰি আছে বা কিছুমান hormonal changes কিছুমান হয় যোনটোৰ কাৰণে diabetes হ'ব পাৰে. Pheochromocytoma বুলি adrenal gland হেৰি হয়.
Okay.
Cushing's হ'ব পাৰে. মানে there are different types of diabetes. সেইটো others বুলি কৈ পেলাই ৰাখা যায়.
Okay.
আৰু children's
probably
diabetes children's হয় সেইটো তাৰ মানে it's more sort of I'll say difficult for children's to understand কাৰণ body insulin production to বন্ধ হৈ যায় because of various reasons, viral infection or power হ'ব পাৰে বা some genetic causes or power হ'ব পাৰে. So insulin production বন্ধ হ'লে তেতিয়া হ'লে তাৰ মানে বাহিৰৰ পৰা আমি insulin দিব লাগে. So treatment is only insulin. Type 1 diabetes হ'লে so treatment is only insulin. তাতে oral medicine বা different modalities of treatment কাম নকৰিব.
Oh, okay, that's interesting.
In the rest of the type of diabetes, they respond to oral medicine. Insulin production hoy, but may not be sufficient enough, or even if it is produced, the action of insulin into sugar komabo karne by different methods sugar komai. So hey, action bur insulin or maybe oloman down graded hoy thake hetu karne tamane sugar control no hoy. So hetu oral medicine o kaam kore. And at times acute conditions hole ba hospitalizations jodi hoy ba tenukwa dhoronor kisman condition insulin for short term dia jay type 2 diabetes hotu.
Right. Okay.
Pregnancy time jonto diabetes hoy hetut mane insulin diply generally treatment kora jay mainly because of the safety issues. Karon pregnancy we need to think about the baby also. Mother diabetes to logote bacharo chinta koribo lage to kisman medicine they cross the placenta, so those medicines cannot be used. Hebor medicine use koribo nori he karone dekha hoise je insulin to placenta cross nokore and it can be safely used. So pregnancy time to treatment option boli bhabile he insulin to e dorkar hoy aru. So majorly about the types of diabetes. Aru eta interesting form of diabetes is there which is called fibrocalculous pancreatic diabetes. FCPD, fibrocalculous pancreatic diabetes, which happens when there is stones in the pancreas. Stone pancreas ami commonly janu je gallbladder stone hoy common hoy into pancreas to stone ho pare he doctor bitor and it may atrophy the pancreas mane pancreas to sikuri jay horu hoy jay mane it gets destroyed. Destroyed hole as we know insulin is produced in the pancreas, beta cells of the pancreas. So hey beta cells guru destroy hoy tar karone ultimately diabetes hoy, and that type of diabetes patients jon mane jetia mane clinic ot ahe dekhile gom pai je oh yes he is mostly having pancreatic diabetes. Ekdom lean thin hoy, ekdom patla hoy, weight mane kom hoy, BMI will be less than 18 or steatoria hoy thake ta mane oily motions hoy, pain abdomen thakibo pare agote aru they have very fluctuating blood sugars. So but can be managed, it's not that unmanageable no hoy, but that's an interesting type of diabetes. And if you see those patients you can straight away say that you have pancreatic diabetes. So kisman test as korile diagnose hoy go ultimately, but manujonok dekhile gom pai je heri hoy, and they that type of diabetes happens because of some food we eat. Cassava buli eta tuber ase which is commonly taken in South India, Orissa,
Mhm.
and in parts of Assam, Nagaon area pa paisu patients, Dhubri pa paisu, Murigaon pa paisu, Mongoloi fellow pa paisu. So there are different areas where
Okay.
sort of patients they come from in general.
Okay. No, I think that is very important information for people to know because it's so related to what you are putting into your body. So I think thank you for that piece of information. I think most people generally are aware of type 2, I guess, but the other categories are definitely man commonly prevalent. No, it's very family So
Type 1 to actually,
okay.
luckily incidence is very less than 10% of the total
Oh, okay.
diabetes population worldwide.
Okay. Oh wow, worldwide. Okay.
The world where that population is very high, that's Finland. Swedish, Finlandot hetu sobotse besi proportion of type 1 diabetes dekha jay.
Okay.
Related to some environmental factors which prevail in Finland, maybe, but
Okay.
in India, the rest of the world, type 1 diabetes is very less than 10%, and 80 to 90% type 2 diabetic patients.
Okay,
but,
gotcha.
That's for the treatment purpose. I mean, both the types of diabetes are dangerous enough to have complications and things like that. So we should be able to keep the sugars under control. Sugar control kore thakile complications can be averted.
Yes, definitely. We actually have a question as well coming in, and before that, I just want to check with Priyanshu. So, Priyanshu, I think you mentioned that there is some audio issue happening.
It's fine. Yes, yeah, it's fine
It's
now.
fine right now? Okay,
There are some members who are facing the internet, so that's why I uploaded this question. Yeah.
Okay, we are fine, right? Okay, cool. And we already have a question coming actually, and I think before we go into our next question, which is about genetics and the impact of lifestyle on this disease, I think I'll just go ahead with the question. So the question is, maximum COVID-19 patient who passed away are diabetic. Is it true? I have seen it on social media, and it's from Saugat Chakrabarti.
Yeah, it's very much true. And COVID as such is not fatal. Mortality rate is around 7% worldwide, or maybe less. In different countries, belag hobo pare. But when you have diabetes or hypertension or cardiac ailments, heart disease jodi thake ba kidney problems ase, people are on dialysis, they are the worst patients who is hit by COVID, jodi COVID hoy. Karon hebur thakile COVID or complications bur besike hoy. Lung complications or myocarditis বুলি কয় যোনটো suddenly কোনোবা COVID patient or death হৈছে বা হেৰি হয় তো হেতু diabetes has come out to be one of the major causes for COVID complications. Diabetes complications bur as such যোনবোৰ হ'ব in years of diabetes হেতুটো এটা বেলেগ issue হয়. But at the present situation when COVID is prevailing in the community, now we are in a stage of community transmission. So ইয়াতে আগতে এটা কেছ ধৰা পৰিছিলে আৰু সেই কেছটোৰ পিছত বহুত দিনলৈকে আৰু কেছ নাই, আকৌ এটা কেছ ধৰা পৰে, কিন্তু এতিয়া তাৰমানে per day multiple thousands of কেছ ওলাই আছে. So it's in community transmission stage. আৰু community transmission হলে কাৰ হ'ব কোনো ক'ব নোৱাৰে. So best possible way is to keep your sugars, pressure and those আগৰ পৰা যোনবোৰ থকা বেমাৰ সেইখিনি যদি আমি কন্ট্ৰলত ৰাখিব পাৰো তেনেহলে কোভিড কমপ্লিকেশনস বোৰ নোহোৱাকে পাৰ হ'ব পাৰে. তো যোনে সুধিছে I think I have clearly যোনটো মেছেজ দিব কৈছো যে ডায়াবেটিস টু কন্ট্ৰলত থকাটো খুবেই দৰকাৰ at the present situation, কাৰণ নহলে বস্তুবোৰ বহুত কমপ্লিকেটেড হৈ যায়. কাৰণ কোভিড ট্ৰিটমেন্ট যত হৈ আছে sub departments equally sabo para nai. It's a complex situation which is happening. So he karone karbar jodi diabetes ase diabetes control korato khub tan hoi pore aru kisman ei eta drug induced moi diabetes or kotha koisilu je steroids use korile diabetes hoy
Yes.
But at the present situation, COVID patient or treatment of steroid use koribo lage jar lung complications aise, and steroid use korar pisot diabetes shoots up like anything, 400 600 enuka blood sugar loke jay. To
Oh,
সেই
okay,
বস্তু মানে দৰকাৰ হলে তো কৰিব লাগিব, কিন্তু ডায়াবেটিস টু কন্ট্রোল থাকিলে তেতিয়া হলে সেই কমপ্লিকেশন স্টেজলৈকে মানুহ নাযায়। আৰু
right.
আৰু এটুত মেনশন কৰিলো যে ভিটামিন ডি ইজ ওয়ান অফ দি markers for a person's immune status. Vitamin D level to the carbar low thake, they are also at risk for COVID complications. So 30 like vitamin D level.
Okay. Okay. No, I think that this is very useful information because manhe gom paye diabetes is a condition that is impacting it, but cure. Thank you for breaking it down. I mean, the treatment procedures and everything. Like, why is it making it so complicated? And I think a lot of people can actually focus on their lifestyle and probably, save themselves at this point. Okay, our other question is actually, how long can we continue to take insulin? Is it something that people can take lifelong?
Yeah, I mean, as I mentioned earlier, in type 1 diabetes, there is no other treatment option available. They take insulin for survival, not an option. Hetu lifelong loi thakibo lagibo without missing a single dose of insulin. I'm talking about type 1 diabetes, children's of junbro. And type 2 diabetes, into majority of the people type 2 diabetes, 80 to 90% manhuar hoy dhorok. So hetu insulin to for temporary periods lage, short term lage jetia sugar to bahut shoot up kore ba hospitalize hoise ba kiba operation laga hoise, cataract surgery laga mane variety of reasons where you need acute control of blood sugar. Ekdom kom samoyt sugar control koribo lage, hebur samoyt insulin to short term dia jay. Okay. But there also comes a stage of the disease when complications start, diabetes related complications start. Hey titia oral medicines contraindicated hoy jay, dibo nwari. Not because it will harm the kidney or something, but because of certain complications or side effects related to the particular medicine bari jabo. Jodi kidney problem hoise, medicine to kidney clear kore, but kidney jodi clear koribo par nai, that medicine will stay in the body for a longer time and chances of hypoglycemia will be high. Hypoglycemia ho pare. To he tenuka dhoronor kisman situation jodi ami oral medicines bur restrictions ahi goise je nai dibo nwari, etia etu stage ot aru nwara hoise, then we need to give insulin, and that insulin can be taken lifelong also after that. Okay. But type 2 diabetes of insulin requirement will be I mean, depending on the stage of the disease or presence of complication or absence of complication, hetur upor decide hobo. Okay. But insulin is always good for treatment. I mean, it's a hormone which is naturally produced in the body. Jodi adequate amounts of one ba action is not adequate, then we can, I mean, give from outside.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for that answer. We also have another question from the audience, and I'll actually tag it along with the questions I have. So, so how much is diabetes impacted? Is it because of your genetics or lifestyle, really? And the question was by Modipa Deb, and she mentioned if there are any warning signs of diabetes, and I'll again like to say, like, hey, duta type, if it is genetic or say lifestyle changes, does the warning sign differ or do things like that?
Yeah, I mean, diabetes or background genetic always plays a role. Genetic predisposition to thake, be it type 1 or type 2, tamane family history thakibo pare. Aru secondly, background of jodi genetic predisposition thake and there is some environmental insult boli kole, obesity is an environmental insult which we are doing it ourselves. Lack of exercise, bad eating habits, titia hole ki hoy predispose hoy jay je diabetes to full blown mane overtly dekha jay. So there is always a genetic predisposition and then there is an environmental insult over it, so that it is I mean overtly display hoy jay tar pisot. So genetics of kole there are different genetic theories যে মানে কি multifactorial থাকে মানে অকল এটা জিনতে অকল এফেক্ট নহয় মানে there are multiple genes which may be affected. So diabetes to যোনটো কোৱা যায় type 2 diabetes, it is a polygenic disease. তাৰমানে এটা জিন নহয় বহুত কেটা জিনত এফেক্ট হ'ব পাৰে। গ্লুকোজ টো ব্রেক ডাউন কৰা এটা জিন থাকে, হেতু যদি ডিফেক্টিভ হয় কাৰবাৰ দেন sugar will be elevated. So বেলেগ বেলেগ জিন আছে যোনটোৱে বডি ফাংশনস বোৰ কন্ট্রোল কৰে and যদি জিনস বোৰ ডিফেক্ট হয় then we get diabetes. আৰু জেনেটিকৰ লগত মানে কি হয় আমাৰ এছিয়ান ইন্ডিয়ান যোনটো আমি ইয়াতে মানে ৰিসাইড কৰা যোনখিনি পপুলেশন সাউথ ইষ্ট এছিয়ান কান্ট্ৰিজ খিনি তেওঁলোকৰ জেনেটিক মেকআপটোত এটা অলৰেডি তাৰমানে ইমান লাষ্ট মেনি ইয়াৰ্ছৰ পৰা এটা চেঞ্জ অলৰেডি হৈ গৈছে আৰু সেই জেনেটিক চেঞ্জটোৰ কাৰণে we are predisposed for diabetes and cardiac disease. এইখিনি কান্ট্ৰিৰ যোনখিনি মানুহ they are more prone to have diabetes and cardiac disease. US of diabetes hoise kintu US of colon cancer incidence to besi. You might be aware of that. So so he bostu put enuka thake je mane genetic predisposition to background ot thakibo aru tar logot kisman jodi faulty eating habits hoy ba আজিকালি মেইনলি চিলড্ৰেনস তে দেখা গৈছে যে মানে কোনো প্লেগ্ৰাউণ্ডত কোনো খেলিব না যায় দে প্লে ভিডিও গেমস এন্ড দেন জাস্ট সিট ইন ফ্রন্ট অফ দ্য টিভি এটা তো খুবই ভালো হইছে সবটো মানে ক্লাস অনলাইন হৈ গৈছে তো দে টেক আইপ্যাডস এন্ড দেন দে সিট এট হোম তো देयर इज नो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दोस फैक्टर्स কারবার যদি ব্যাকগ্রাউণ্ডত যদি এটা জেনেটিক হেৰি আছে যে ডায়াবেটিস হ'ব পাৰে দে গেট দ্য ডায়াবেটিস अर्ली इन द life. Itia type 2 diabetes, as I mentioned earlier, etu adulthood hoisile manhor. Jodi ami 30-40 বছৰ 50 বছৰ যদি ব্যাক কৰো তেনা হলে এনেকুৱা সময়ত মানুহৰ পোস্ট ৰিটায়াৰমেন্ট টাইপ 2 ডায়াবেটিস হৈছিলে পোস্ট ৰিটায়াৰমেন্ট তাৰ পিছত হেতু এজ কমি আহি প্লে 50s ত হল তাৰ পিছত 40s ত হল এতিয়া ইনফেক্ট চিলড্ৰেনছত দেখা গৈছে যে 16 years, less than 16 years children of type 2 diabetes, which was very unlikely many years back. So hetu bostu hoise because we are not following a proper lifestyle. So hetu follow kora to khube dorkar hoy. Aru eta question kunba kudisila tumi?
Oh yes, the question was warning signs ki hobo pare diabetes.
Warning signs, yeah. In fact, that's a very good question. In the sense that type 2 diabetes too, it's such a disease that silently thakibo pare for many years. Aru koa jay je 50% manhe gome na pai je diabetes hoi ase. They come with their relatives to the hospital, for their relatives I mean, check up ot ahisile. They thought ki na muru sugar to check kori sai long since mo hospital at aisu let me also check the sugar and they check and they get the sugar is 400 they get what happened mutu to diabetes nasile but hetwe yar heri crux je type 2 diabetes may be silent for many years and when we read about it it's written in text je 5 years agor pa hetu disease process to start hoy. And those 5 years unknowingly internally system to affect hoy ase body cells puro to affect hoy thaibo jodi sugar high ase it will not be affected in a slow process, it will affect in its own pace. So symptoms pur ami manhe jana to dorkar and if we get such type of symptoms then we should check the sugar in the laboratory. Bote a glucometer di pla ghorot keteba sai that's also but for diagnosis one should test in the laboratory fasting and pp and HbA1c at present time. Symptoms pur kole polyuria, polydipsia, polyphagia, pani pia besi lagibo, pesab besi hobo, bhok besi lagibo aru weight loss hoy. In genital areas fungal infections hobo pare, UTI hobo pare, kisman children's ba adults to hobo pare je দেখাৰে অসুবিধা পাইছে ধৰক মানে
Right.
ব্ল্যাকবোর্ডত লিখাটো ভালকে ধৰিব নোৱাৰে sudden eye power change হয় সেই তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ symptomsবোৰ generally হয় and lack of energy মানে কিছুমান vague symptomsও থাকে যে weight loss হৈ আছে unexplained weight loss কাৰোবাৰ acute এটা বেমাৰ হৈ থাকিলে weight loss হোৱাটো justified but একো যদি বেমাৰ হৈ থকা নাই মানুহজনৰ weight কমিছে weight কমাটো in common মানে layman's term আমি বুজো যে যদি পেন্টৰ সাইজটো ঢিলা হৈছে যদি কাৰণ we do not check in the weigh machine
Right. Yes.
পেন্টৰ সাইজটো যদি ঢিলা হৈছে বা মহিলাবোৰৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত ব্লাউজৰ সাইজটো যদি ঢিলা হৈছে then we understand যে weight loss হৈছে তাৰমানে
Okay.
so এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ symptoms থাকে you should test the sugar and if
Okay.
sugar is abnormal go to a diabetologist go to a physician get it confirmed ki diabetes hoy na nohoy not just sit back je অলপমান হে বেছি আছে একো নহয় বেছিভাগ মানুহে they do that and ultimately যেতিয়া ডক্টৰ তাত আহে they already have some complication generally juntu 10-15 years of diabetes hole hoy type 2 diabetes দেখা গৈছে যে at diagnosis of কিছুমানৰ complication হৈ পেলাই হৈছে why it is happening because a মানে I'll say ignorance বেমাৰটো বিষয়ে অলপ সলপ জানে কিন্তু তা মানে ইগনোৰ কৰিব খোজে যে মানে নাই মোৰ ইমান বেছি হোৱা নাই মই একো কৰিব নালাগে লুকাব খোজে বহুতে তো হেতু কৰিব নালাগে one should openly go check the sugar if we diagnose early if we start treatment early complications can be I mean kept at bay মানে নোহাকেও বহু বছৰলৈকে ৰাখিব পাৰি 10-15 years যোনটো কৈছো হেতু 25-30 years লকো নোহাকে থাকিব পাৰি in fact I have patients whose sugars are well controlled for last 40 years বহুত elderly patients আছে যাৰ sugar control থাকে complications হোৱা নাই so that's another message through this platform যে মানে symptoms বোৰ যোনখিনি কলো পানী পিয়া বেছি লাগা ভোক বেছি লাগা weight loss সুৰে দেখাত অসুবিধা পোৱা কাটা সিঙা নুশুকায় if wounds doesn't heal properly or timely then you check and get it confirmed from a doctor not just self diagnose and just sit idle etu koribo na lage
of course yes and at a age or do you even recommend doing a annual checkup in you blood sugar test koribole
yeah mention আজিকালি তো এটা একো particular age নাই কারণ যোনটো বস্তু আগতে post retirement হৈছিলে এতিয়া less than 16 years to 15 years to type 2 diabetes দেখা গৈছে so what I'll recommend is if any family history of diabetes is there je parents or diabetes ase ba kanba relatives or diabetes ase you should check and etu korat eko apotti nai ene wise 5 years interval ot korilo hoy but 5 years interval ot jar kono family history nai je
just rare
interval ot korilo hoy
right
but there are again some I mean risk scores diabetes risk or IDRS বুলি কয় Indian diabetes risk score তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কিছুমান স্কোৰিং কৰে যে যদি স্কোৰটো বেছি হয় তেনেহলে you are likely to have diabetes and you should check the sugars yearly then
okay
to Google ot marile IDRS বুলি Indian diabetes risk score বুলি marile everybody can download and then everybody can check on their own
okay it's like a set of questionnaires to help for it score to
so scoring thate scoring jodi eta hey mane download korile dekhai pabo etu je more than 60 ba more than heri hole etia hole
okay
then moderate severe low risk etenake mane
okay categorize okay we have another question from Pooja Kotoki and it's about the impact that diabetes can have on your foot. So have you seen raise in cases of neuropathy in feet in Guwahati? What can be done to avoid it?
That's what I am specialized in. Dr. Rupam's Diabetes and Foot Care Center. So
I imagine that.
Look for neuropathy. We have specialized machines to check for sensation and then nerve conduction and temperature and hairy sense kismanor lost hoy. Cold and hot sensation foot lost hoy ড্ৰাই স্কিন হ'ব পাৰে নিউৰোপেথি হ'লে এইবোৰ বা পেইন হয় প্ৰিকিং সেন্সেশন আহিব পাৰে নামনেস আহিব পাৰে তো there are variety of symptoms related to neuropathy and definitely by far it's one of the commonest complications of diabetes by এজন পেশেন্টৰ ডায়াবেটিস যদি আছে নিউৰোপেথি টো সবতছে কমনেষ্ট হয় কাৰণ হেতুৱে প্ৰথম মানুহে ধৰিব পাৰে আৰু নিউৰোপেথি নোহোৱাকে থাকিবলৈ সুগাৰটো কন্ট্ৰোলত থকা দৰকাৰ নিউৰোপেথি হলেতো নিউৰোপেথিৰ ট্ৰিটমেন্ট কৰিব পৰা যায় we do that but sugar control nathakile neuropathic treatment korilo it's not going away it stays so
okay
people should really rely on controlling the blood sugar and a annual checkup eta korato dorkar annual checkup korile thoroughly sob nerve heri kidney heart protekhini bostu swa jay thoroughly tetia hole tamane you know where you stand what complications you have, what complications you do not have, and what are the chances in the next 5 years or 10 years time. So hey to treatment always goes ahead with a plan. Unplanned way treatment kore thakile haphazardly treatment kore thakile you land nowhere. So what I am saying is I have a plan kenukwake treatment koribo lage hey plan mote agbahile tetia hole manor sugar control thake ba complications bur avoid koribo pare. So I suggest that for people to understand and follow that.
I think that's a very important point.
And you etu karone je you need to understand the disease. Present state of ki complications ase ba ki complications nai, and accordingly we have to plan the treatment and you have to understand the treatment also to continue the treatment. So etu
No, I think that's a great point. I mean, to be strategic about how you deal with it, right? Karan already bemar to ahile, so now you need to control it to and like really live with it to have a good quality of life. So I think that's a very important point.
Work by strategy. I mean, rest of the departments, rest of the skill systems, they all work through a strategy. But disease or strategy follow no korile to no. That's also condition where you need to plan and you need to execute according to the plan and strategy na thakile etu unplanned way kori thakile tamane you do not get well controlled sugar which is amount of complication so sugar to basic complication hoy so sugar to jodi control thake na hole complications avoid koribo pari.
Of course. We have another question and it's on intermittent fasting. So what is your take on intermittent fasting as a way of treatment in type 2 diabetes, which is doing a buzz in some pockets of the Western world?
Intermittent fasting can be tried, but what I'll suggest is extreme of a diet is not very good. Intermittent fasting is also a type of diet plan only.
Yep.
Keto diet came. Keto diet is more of fats and protein, no carbohydrates. So that's an extreme type of diet, so which is not good for the body. Body needs a balanced diet. You need carbohydrate, you need protein, you need fats also in required proportions you need every day. So what I tell my patient is you eat a balanced diet, not just go for a particular diet which will avoid some calories, which will avoid some content of the food. Ei je carbohydrate to gusai dile sugar to naikia hoi jabo botor matot etu concept ase je carbohydrate nakhale to sugar to bhal hoi jabo kintu carbohydrate nakhale if you continue that diet for few months you will start to see that kisman belek problem ako dekha dise. So what I'll suggest is it's best to follow a balanced diet, not to follow this sort of fasting or keto diets or those sort of things, meal plans. It's actually not working. Notun bostu ahi thake. Keto diet has gone out of vogue now. You are not listening about keto diet nowadays. You are listening about intermittent fasting. So intermittent fasting অলপ দিনলৈকে এটো buzz to চলি থাকিব, and then you will see that fasting or বহুত বেছি benefit হোৱা নাই, তেনেহলে হেতু আকৌ down হৈ যাব. But if you consume a balanced diet, that will never go out of fashion, that will never go out of health benefits. Hetu follow কৰিব লাগে.
Or Dr. Rupam, especially Junbur Manhor already pre-existing conditions ase. I think it's more important to like consult a doctor and then do any form of dieting or whatever you do.
I was telling that diabetes to okol diet or uporte nohoy to. You plan the treatment. As I mentioned, na strategic hobo lagibo. So a person with some heart ailment who underwent a bypass surgery, say, he all of a sudden starts a keto diet or a intermittent fasting and lands up with some other problem. It's not justified. So hetu meal plan to kenuka hobo lage, you should do with consultation with your treating physician, a diabetologist or endocrinologist. So teolokor logot bohi pelai meal plan to heri koribo lagibo. Protekjon manhor karone meal plan to belag hobo. Sobor karone one pamphlet will be given to all patients. So eke meal plan khai thakok hetu nohoy. We devise the meal plan depending on the patient's body weight, depending on the patient's existing condition. Diabetes is part of the condition, not the whole condition. So ei bostu to understand kora to dorkar.
No, thank you. I mean, looking at the larger picture, obviously, and listen to your doctor, everyone. And then we actually have a follow-up question on neuropathy again. And could he say, can it be reversed over the years if one loses their senses?
Reverse mane neuropathy is a J-shaped curve. Tamane sugar controller logot it's J-shape. Mane basic control korilo sugar to ako neuropathy to ako ahe. Keteba sugar খুব হাই থাকিলেও নিউৰোপেথি হয়, বাট হে এটা মিডিয়াম ৰেঞ্জত সুগাৰ কন্ট্ৰোলটো ৰাখাটো দৰকাৰ. বাট একদম ৰিভাৰ্স হয় নিউৰোপেথি নাইকিয়া হৈ যোৱাটো ইটস লিটল ডিফিকাল্ট. People do need to take medication for a longer time. Neuropathy যদি once it sets in, and along with that certain advices we do give for foot care. Neuropathy thakile tamane sensation lost hoy. Sensation loss hole you should wear footwear, broad based footwear, naman tapering footwear pindibo na lage, heels pindibo na lage, and you should wear a shoe or a sandal with strap, not a chappal without strap. Chappal to hawai chappal boli junto hawai mane bichot manhe sandals use kore, hawai he naam to he tar pai aise hawai sandal boli.
Yes.
So there is no strap, na. So when people have neuropathy, they are not able to grasp the sandals. They are prone to injuries. Since the foot is insensate, sensation na thake, so minor injuries they overlook, gom na pai. And those small scratches and koru injuries pure ultimately go pele dangor foot infection eta hoy, diabetic foot ulcers hoy go. So neuropathy is the tip of the iceberg. Tar polot bahut dangor eta subject mane humai ase. So it's not as simple as sugar control kori thak bhal hoi jabo. It's not that simple. So hetu jetia karbar hoise, there are ways to detect kiman besi effect hoise, and then again a strategic set of pointers to be followed, je eketa bostu koribo lage, eketa bostu koribo na lage, tenuka no hetu bostu follow kora to dorkar hoy.
Okay, thank you for your answer. I'll my next question will be around the pandemic. So iman dangor change hoise sabor life or etia, people are having more mental health issues, physical lifestyle has changed dramatically, right? I mean, you are just spending more time in front of the laptop. Hey, office ole ja juntu journey asil hetu nai kya hol etia. So how do you think all of this, the surrounding stress, more work for some people, it's actually turning up to be more work than less.
Mhm.
Mental health issues, how is that correlated with something like diabetes?
It's affecting diabetes more because
Mhm.
stress also increases the blood sugar. We all know that. And there is another specific type of diabetes, stress-induced diabetes. Sometimes we get diabetes because one person is working in an IT company, and you know IT companies, I mean, you have tremendous pressure. If you're not able to produce what you are asked to do, you may be thrown out. তো সেই tremendous যোনটো mental pressure হয়, physical pressure to it's a different thing, but mental pressure to ultimately it releases lot of hormones which are increasing the blood sugar, increasing the pressure, pulse rate বাঢ়ে হেৰি হয়। তো সেই বস্তুটোৰ কাৰণে কি হয়, এতিয়া যোনটো পেণ্ডেমিক চিটুৱেশ্যন হৈছে, কিছুমানে আননোয়িংলি কিছুমান এটা চিটুৱেশ্যন এটাত হেৰি কৰি পেলাই মানে ষ্ট্ৰেছটো বেছি লয়। তো সেই মানুহবোৰৰ সুগাৰ বাঢ়িব পাৰে, ডিপ্ৰেশ্যন হ'ব পাৰে, এণ্ড ডিপ্ৰেশ্যন হ'লেও আকৌ চেল্ফ হেৰিটো কেয়াৰটো কমি যায়। তো চেল্ফ কেয়াৰটো কমি গ'লে ডায়েবেটিছটো বেছি থাকিলেও দে উইল নট বি বদাৰ্ড এবাউট দেয়াৰ সুগাৰ্ছ গোয়িং হাই, খোৱাটো কণ্ট্ৰল নকৰে, দে অভাৰ ইট ডিপ্ৰেশ্যন হ'লে। Some people do not eat, some people overeat. So hey, pandemic situation it is affecting diabetes patients more, and diabetes to control na thakile that is affecting COVID positive patients more. So it's a vicious cycle. So to break the cycle, there is no going away of COVID-19. Once it has come to the world, it is going to stay forever. We just need to follow certain etiquettes, hand hygiene, face hygiene, wearing the mask in public, and possibly in office where you get to meet people, you should wear a mask. And you should wash your hands frequently with soap, which has found to be very helpful. And maybe sanitizers also can be used. Alcohol-based sanitizers are available. And moreover, if you have symptoms or if you have any kind of ailment, you should not stay at home. You should go meet a doctor, because most of the fatalities have happened because people are staying at home and not going to the for some checkup, or not going to the hospital because they fear if they come positive, then what will happen? What will happen is you'll be treated, and then you'll be coming back home healthily. But staying at home and getting depressed and sugars not getting controlled, you are at greater risk of having complications. That one should not do.
Another question. So some people are already kind of in a high risk zone, right, from COVID, maybe pre-existing conditions, age, whatever. So তেওঁলোকৰ কাৰণে, how do they manage stress, or how do they do something that can balance their life a little bit? Because sometimes it can be completely like you're cooped up for 6 months and you're not going out, so that could also have a very negative impact. So what do you have to say to that?
কবলে বিৰাট সহজ, stress নলব বুলি কবলে, that's the easiest way. Stress নলব আপুনি, কিন্তু that's the most difficult thing to do. What I'll suggest is whenever you have stress, you do some deep breathing exercises. Breathe in, stay for a few seconds, then breathe out through mouth. So deep breathing exercises, whenever you have some situation or whenever stress is coming, say somebody is discussing about COVID or some neighbor had COVID, you are getting hyper, then you do some deep breathing exercises, yoga, pranayama. Those are ways how you can subside your anxiety level. Anxiety will not come, it's not going to happen. Anxiety may come because it comes with the situation. And if some situation is giving you anxiety, you avoid the situation. but all the time you may not be able to avoid the situation all the time. So there, whenever you get some say anxious thoughts or anxiety is coming, then you do some deep breathing exercises or counting backwards, 100 to 1 backwards. So that, I mean, makes you calm. And if you can practice that at home, definitely that's going to help. Because I'll not advise all the elderly patients to visit a hospital or a doctor if they are not required to. If sugars are not controlled, then definitely they need to come. But people above 65, if sugars are well controlled, stay at home.
Yep.
Whenever you have some medical issues, then you come to the hospital or visit a clinic, something. But at home, you should practice some yoga and all. That helps.
Okay, thank you. We have another question, and it's about myths related to diabetes. So do you see some common myths that people unfortunately end up believing or practicing without a doctor's advice?
A lot of myths are there. I mean, it's mostly some taboos are there. I'll talk about that a bit, and then some myths and realities. Like unmarried girl getting diabetes, they want to hide it. Parents want to hide it. That should not be done.
Yep.
I do get patients like that. Sir, ছোৱালীজনীৰ next মাহত বিয়া আছে, সুগাৰটো বহুত হাই পাইছে, ইনসুলিন নেদিব, ইনসুলিন দিলে গম পাব in-laws. What's there to hide? If you have diabetes, you have diabetes. Your in-laws may also have diabetes. That's not a, I mean, thing which you are getting, other people will not get. It's not like that.
Yeah.
If you have diabetes, you should treat it. That's what I feel. I mean, বেমাৰ এটা হোৱাটো একো মানে অদ্ভুত কথা নহয়, বা মানে ভুল কথা নহয়. Just হৈছে যদি need to treat it. এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হ'ব নালাগে. মানে আজি definitely it's a live program, তেনেহলে বহুতে হয়তো চাই আছে বা হেৰি কৰিছে, তো এই বস্তুটো একদমেই উচিত নহয়. তাৰপিছত myths কিছুমান আছে, it's related to treatment. বহুতৰ wrong notion is there for insulin. বহুতে ভাবে যে ইনসুলিন ললে তাৰমানে মোৰ ডায়াবেটিছটো বিৰাট বেয়া, বা মানুহে দেখিব, বা কমপ্লিকেশনস হ'ব, বা ইনসুলিনটো পেইনফুল হয়, বহুত সাইড ইফেক্ট আছে, কিডনি বেয়া হয় বুলি কয়. মানে there are lot of myths around insulin treatment.
Yes,
So
there is, definitely.
Those are not reality. Insulin is a hormone which is produced in the body. আৰু কাৰোবাৰ যদি ইনসুলিন প্ৰডাকশনটো কম হৈছে, they'll end up in diabetes. And in type 1 diabetes, children's যোনটো হয়, their insulin production is nil, zero. তেওঁলোককটো ইনসুলিনেই দিব লাগিব. So যিকোনো মানুহে যদি ইনসুলিন লৈছে, ইনসুলিন লোৱাটো একো ভুল কথা নহয়. ইনসুলিনটো এটা বডিত প্ৰডিউস হোৱা হৰমন, যোনটো আমি বাহিৰৰ পৰা দিব লগা যদি হৈছে, বাহিৰৰ পৰা আমি দিয়া যায়. And there are a lot of other, I mean, myths are there, but it will be a very long list if I go on telling about the myths.
Yes. Basic thing, I think you should listen to your doctor and talk to your doctor, really. I mean, if it's a health issue, your doctor is the person you should go to and talk to, I suppose. Even I think medication lo you manhor bahut myths thake keteba. People try a lot of herbs and things like that, and maybe not go to a doctor and like take the proper medicine. So definitely heburu bahut hoy. So it's a long list, as you mentioned. We have 5 more minutes, and I just kind of want to end with the last question. So quality of life, really. So diabetes is something that you'll deal with once you have it, you'll probably have to deal with it till the rest of your life, right? So ki lage apunar kiman impact hoy quality of life, and how far is it possible for a person to have a healthy life and really like enjoy things that other people are also doing? I mean, it's not really the end all, right? So how do they balance that and manage that?
I'll give a perspective. Okay. So as I mentioned, we do a strategic management. Treatment to কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰকে আগবাঢ়িব, সেইটো এটা strategy কৰা যায়, protocol এটা follow কৰা যায়. সেই protocolটো a particular patient জনে if they incorporate that thing as a habit, আমি morning উঠি পেলাই we go to the toilet, we brush, we drink water, we take bath, we take breakfast, go to office, come back, walk কৰিলো বা নকৰিলো বা যি কৰিলো, those are all work চাব গলে. But people who have diabetes or thing, they think যে medicine খোৱাটো এটা কাম, it's a work বুলি ভাবে, and they don't like that work, but they are doing lot of works from getting out of bed to going back to sleep. মানে সেই মাজৰ সময়খিনিত 24 ঘণ্টাত সব বস্তু এটা এটা কাম, but সেই কামখিনি আমি ৰেগুলাৰলি কৰি আছো, সেইকাৰণে আমি ভাবো যে that is not affecting our lifestyle. But taking the medicine at the right time, daily, hetu eta extra kam boli bhaba jay, so ami hetu koribole tan pai asu. So what I tell the patients, je you incorporate this list of things into your existing list of work which you are already doing, then you will see you are comfortable with it. You will not know that you are diabetic, you will not know that you are taking some medicine. So he bostutu jitaloke manhu ejone ba patient jone jitaloke they incorporate in their lifestyle, titialoke he bostutu kitiao mane you cannot come out of that stress mane juntu related to treatment hoy ba heri hoy, he bostutu kitiao change no hoy. Aru hekini kam jodi kore konbai korile definitely quality of life will be there. Because they think quality of life is bad because they are doing some extra work daily, taking the medicine, going for a walk, taking a balanced diet, physical exercise koribole koise ba hebur kam tamane bhabise je mane that is out of my daily work, extra work hoise etu koribo bhal na lage, that is giving the bad quality in life. But if you incorporate that in your daily life, then it becomes good quality of life. So that's what my perspective to treatment is.
No, I think that's a great way of putting it. I mean, it's like a checklist, right? You need to get through the checklist to have a good day at the end of, or get through the day well. So I think that's a great way to look at it. And a lot of people really, apuni jitu kole, oh my God, ki ho gol mur eta. That's something you hear quite often, like people getting that shock and like, okay, I mean, they behave as if it's the end already. So I think what you mentioned is really important, that it's at the end of the day, it's just a checklist and you just need to strategically manage your disease to get through it, I guess. So thank you so much for those comments. And I think we're already at time. We just have 3 minutes left. So I would like to conclude the session here. And thank you, Dr. Rupam. Thank you for all the points. And I think apuni bahut complex terms bahut balke breakdown kori kole, especially the COVID situation, like why is diabetes actually a concerning factor. So I think bahut manhe buji pa nasil sage, and this really helps. Insulin treatment and all of that you mentioned regarding that. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you, Milind and Enajori, for the platform and for letting people hear Dr. Rupam. Great points here. Priyanshu, thank you again for managing everything, for all the technical support that you have been providing. So that's it. If we have any last questions from the viewers, now is the time. I don't see any.
I would like to thank Basu and Enajori for the platform, for, I mean, putting my mind what I'm thinking about. And I mean, if I am able to help maybe one person through our discussion today, I'll feel I have done something.
Yes, no, definitely. I think you have helped a lot of people. So we really appreciate your time here, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye, everyone.